Like dinosaurs would be like this. They'd be like this. Feed each other. It's like, we're a dinosaur. Okay, back to the questions. Back to the questions. Back to the questions. Back to the questions. Bitch, learn your lesson. Back to the questions. Back to the questions. Back to the questions. Learn your lesson. Okay, and now I will be performing Doja Cat verse on Scoot. Tomorrow is my day off. All damn rehearsals got me tight. Look at that payoff. And then my body look like something you to kick off. And I just got my veneers. That bitches want to eat they... No. I just got my veneers. That bitches want to rip they face off. But you thought you had a chance after you wanted to disrespect me. Let him apologize and eat it in a Bentley. That part's so hard. When she was like, let him apologize and eat it in a Bentley. Nah, Doja Cat fire for real. Like she's my inspiration. And she bad. Doja Cat can fart on me. Doja Cat can fart right on me. I wouldn't say a word. Like Megan Thee Stallion can fart on me too. There's a couple women I would love to fart on me. Okay. Look, back to the questions. Back to the questions. Bro, Industry Baby is your best song. That is a statement. Why is it in the question section? Wait, can I add people to this? I want to talk to people. That could be a disaster. Do it fart? Yes. My ass fart, nigga. Ask me that shit one more time. I'm gonna fart on you. Fuck wrong with you. I love you with the Brazil flag. Brazil, I love you. You guys are like the best. I can't wait to come out there and perform and like, I don't know, like shit. I might get out there and motherfucking twerk on stage or some shit. How I fuck with y'all. I fuck with y'all heavy. I might go out there and like fucking bust a gut twerking or some shit. I don't know. Hold on. I don't even know, man. Give me a snigger beer. So I started watching Harry Potter, right? I'm on like the fifth one. I'm like the fifth Harry Potter. And I'm like, damn. Like, damn. Twerk now. Look, I had fun. If you bad and you sexy and you 18-year-old and you're a male, DM me kind of horny or something. But yeah, if you don't fit those qualifications, don't DM me. And please be 21 plus. Night.